Go to our top stories today. The US has launched an attack on Nigeria. Its president has announced. Donald Trump made the announcement on his Truth Social account, declaring tonight, at my direction as Commander-in-Chief, the United States launched a powerful and deadly strike against ISIS terrorist scum in northwest Nigeria, who have been targeting and viciously killing primarily innocent Christians at levels not seen for many years and even centuries. I have previously warned these terrorists that if they did not stop the slaughtering of Christians, there would be hell to pay. And tonight there was. The Department of War executed numerous perfect strikes, as only the United States is capable of doing. Under my leadership, our country will not allow radical Islamic terrorism to prosper. May God bless our military, and Merry Christmas to all, including the dead terrorists, of which there will be many more if they slaughter of Christians continues.
They are going nowhere. They are part of us and we are part of them. We must live with them. You can't drive them away and they can't drive us away. They are our neighbors, so we should never allow them to be our enemies. And if our enemy states by our actions we have turned them into enemies, then we are finished. Because our real enemy will use them against us. As your real enemy will use your neighbor against you. And nobody knows your secret more than your neighbor. He knows when you come back and when you go out. So we should never allow herdsmen to be our enemies.
Let's say Bronu. That's how they do. Do you get me? So America understand those diplomats. They understand those intelligence very, very well.
But Gumi is saying that Tinubu should call Donald Trump to order.
Gumi is a data boy.
He's a data boy.
Because he is working with those terrorists. He's a data boy. He knows them. He has said it openly. He has come out and said it that I know that they can negotiate with this. He has led it before. So is he not data boy? Is he not somebody that know where the people are, that he come and say them federal government will now romance and he come and make some billions and put it in his pocket? That's what he's good for.
But he said they are freedom fighters.
Freedom fighters on what basis?
Can they fight for their own freedom?
What of their freedom? The oil that is in the river, in the southern part of Nigeria, that is being used to give them allocation. Now they go in Zamfara. And other natural mineral resources in the northeast and northwest is not good for all Nigerians. But the oil in the south and the southeast and southwest is good for all Nigerians. The tax allocated in other states, or what they are getting in Lagos, to service all the federation. If Lagos can be only given, let's say, 10 or even 15% of what they are making for the nation, do you know how much they are going to get? But Lagos is also sacrificing on everything, and the money they are making, they are pouring it into the national treasury. What are they not bringing on the table? What are they bringing on the table? Bandits are everywhere. Do you know that the Chinese are mining gold in Zamfara? Are you aware of that? Now, when they say they should stop mining for the insecurity to calm down, what did they do? They said no. Do you get me? So there are things that when we talk about it or when we say about it, you don't say it's politics. This thing are politics. They know they are only there to get money for themselves. So we don't need all those things. America coming into this scene is welcome development.
If there's an oil uprising in the north, like you're just saying, and the north decided to carry up arms against
it's not even
US military, they can rise up against
let me tell you, the people that are involved on all these things are not even the northern Nigerians. Let me tell you, these are politics. These are politics in disguise. The people involved are foreigners, and they are hiding under the north. Are you getting me? These are the people who are responsible guiding the illegal minings, which some of the wicked government are involved. There are people who are involved in all these businesses. So when they say these are bandits that they say they are talking for their right, they know who they are going to send, so that they are going to negotiate with them. These are money bags. They know what they are talking about. Are you getting me? They are data boys, they are errand boys. So government knows them. So now government has failed the people that they're supposed to do what they're supposed to take care of. They're supposed to give them education. So when they see them being kidnapping people and they see that someone is making ransom, they say, What am I here doing in Kanu? What am I here doing in Zamfara? What am I doing here in Yobo? Since I can join them in those bushes and begin to make my some millions, why wouldn't I join them? So you now see that somebody from the family, you now have two people joining. They say, we know them. Do you know where they are? I say, yes. I have a friend from Zamfara. He said that they are vigilante. They always go to the bush, to the bush where the Nigerian military and also those bandits are. They know, they sit, they chat with each other. They know themselves. Yeah. Are you getting me? Except you are a new person that you just come into the terrain. Then they begin to say, you want to carry this work on your head. Say you want to say, now you, now papa, get Nigeria. And they go sabotage you. That is why our military are being fallen. They are killing them because these are the people that mean well for Nigerians. So except you join them, then they will not allow you to follow them to share whatever thing they are getting. So US coming into Nigeria is very good. And more is going to happen. More is going to happen because if you are conversant what is happening in Nigeria now, you saw the Christmas message that this man, the Prime Minister of Israel, Benjamin Netanyahu, he said that the persecution, in fact, he targeted Christians. Yes, he said it. The persecution on Christians in Nigeria will end now. He didn't say next week. He said now. And immediately he said now. Now means coming soon. Are you getting me? So, and you saw what happened on the eve of Christmas.
If you are talking about gold mining and the economic aspect of the warfare in the north, what is their interest in the south? Why are they killing people, attacking communities in the south? Like in Enugu, about 7 communities there, are being controlled by the Fulanis now.
It's a distraction. It's a strategy to distract the Nigerians. To say that it's not only in the north that all these things are happening. It's a distraction. We all know that. It's a political distraction. Because when they say they are attacking the Christians, you saw what happened in the eve of Christmas. They went to the mosque to attack, to say, now it is now Christians, or it is now, when they want to come on board to do whatever they want to do, they want to bring religion at war. These are wicked people. They want to bring religion at war. But when you come, you now notice that it's not even religion that is the problem. It is the people who are championing all these things based on their stomach, what they are going to benefit. So what you're seeing...
Haven't they benefited enough?
Can devil give up and say that it's enough for him? He wants to gain the whole world. He wants to share glory. So they are devil. These are virus that all meaningful Nigerians need to come up and say enough of all this nonsense. Because if you're a Nigerian, you must be concerned of all these things that's happening. Are you getting me? This is not about party. This is not about Tinubu is a president or is from the Yoruba, is from the Igbo, is from the house. No, we are talking about a Nigerian for every Nigerian. That's what we are talking about. So what is happening in the East? What is happening over there is also a political distraction where the people there that are coming from the north and their alliance, those wicked politicians in the east also are also trying to bring them on board.
But the northerners are saying that Donald Trump should not come step his foot or try to bomb any part of the north. And if they try, there is going to be resistance. And they cannot ban Sharia as a condition of peace in Nigeria. How do you think you are not seeing it from that angle?
From the angle is the North is calling on a religious war, and that is not what the American government or whatsoever thing or Western government that are talking about. They are talking about the genocide. They now understand the area they are playing politics on these kind of things. So that is why the Northerners who are responsible of all this, those who are gaining from all these things that is happening in Nigeria, are not saying they should not bomb anywhere in the north. Whereas they are not coming after civilians, they are coming after those ISIS camps, those bandit camps, those terrors, those people who are living in the bush. How can somebody leave us and go inside the bush and be hiding and having surveillance and Nigerian intelligence and are seeing all these things? So that is where they are. They know their nooks and crannies. They know where they are hiding at, and that is the area they are going to shoot out. So they are not coming after the city where people are moving for their freedom or for their business. They are going to those areas. Are you getting me? I made mention of, you said that they supposed to, someone was talking this morning when I was watching Arise on television. They said, why are they now going to Sokoto that has always been free for this? Because Sokoto is camp, because that is their camp. That is their technological camp. That is where they are hiding. That is where those people, those wicked terrorists, make as base. Do you get me? So they will be there.
That's where they operate from.
That's where they operate from. Are you getting me? So they will be there and they will now be signaling to northeast. Are you getting me? Signaling to Borno, signaling to Zamfara, Yobe, going far as Bauchi and all the rest and attacking people. So they know They are not people that you are going to, you know, tell them these are that. Are you getting me? They are not people like that, because they have all the intelligence, they have all the facts, they have all the findings.
Thank you so much for speaking to us. God bless you.